Hey guys, Matt here with DetailKing.com, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Jade A65 Fabric Guard. Jade A65 is a solvent-based fabric protectant designed to be sprayed onto fabric, evaporate quickly, and make it easy by adding a protective layer to any of your fabrics within your vehicle to wipe away any messes or stains within it. The difference between Jade A65 Fabric Guard and the other fabric protectants on the market today is that Jade Fabric Guard is formulated with the same Jade protection technology that ceramic coatings like Jade Quartz and Jade Ice are made from. Jade A65 Fabric Guard will ensure your vehicle's seats, carpets, and mats stay protected and looking like new much longer. Surfaces like carpets and mats treated with Jade A65 Fabric Guard are easier to vacuum and clean debris from. No need to worry about stains and spills anymore because with the Jade A65 Fabric Guard, stains and spills can be wiped right away from any surface within your vehicle. To use Jade A65 Fabric Guard, you'll want to first make sure your fabric surfaces are clean and dry. Hold the bottle of Fabric Guard 6 to 8 inches away from the surface and spray in a back and forth motion, allowing for overlap with each spray to ensure proper penetration of the product into the fibers. Be sure not to soak the fabric with product, a little goes a long way. Allow an hour for your fabric to air dry in a well-ventilated area. So here guys, we have a cleaned and fully prepared mat. So here we have our ketchup packet to simulate the stain with. We have a microfiber towel to wipe it away with. And we have some of our very own extractor soap. I'm just gonna open up this ketchup packet. Now that's a nice big mess you got there. That's hard enough to clean on its own. Now imagine that your kids step in it and start rubbing it around before you get home. That's gonna be tough to clean up with anything. Now with the Jade A65 Fabric Guard, you're gonna be able to wipe that away with a microfiber towel and a little bit of soap. We have our clean, brand new microfiber towel here, and we have our stain of ketchup on the carpet that has been lightly rubbed in, nothing too deep or too hard. So all you're gonna do is without dragging and with slightly picking up on a brand new side, start to wipe away that ketchup to get up all the major amounts. And with each wipe, so that you don't put new ketchup back into a spot you just wiped it up from, flip to a fresh side. Once you've gotten the majority off and onto your rag, flip to a clean side and don't worry about dragging anymore. Try and rub back and forth to get rid of some of that stain because there's no more heavy amounts of ketchup there to be rubbed into it. As you can see, the towel alone was all you needed to get rid of the majority of the stain. Now, this protectant is made so that it is much easier to get out a stain that otherwise would be nearly impossible to ever remove. All we're gonna do is take some of our DetailKing extractor soap, hold it fairly close to the stain, make sure to get a couple sprays directly on, and allow 30 seconds for the soap to set in. Once you've allowed 30 seconds for your soap to set up, grab a clean side of a microfiber towel and do some light scrubbing on it. Nothing too heavy, nothing too hard. Again, this is all about how that Jade keeps it from setting into the carpet. Flip over to a new side every now and then. Do some light rubs. As you can see, that ketchup's already pretty much out of there, but we're gonna make extra sure. As you can see, the Jade A65 did its job and protected the fabric. All it took was a slight bit of wiping with a microfiber towel, a little bit of interior soap, and a minute or two of scrubbing, and that nearly impossible to remove stain is already gone. That's the end of another video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, subscribe to our channel below so that you can see everything we post in the future. Also, leave a comment telling us what you want to see us make in the future, all right? So if you need more information on the Jade A65 Fabric Guard, head on over to DetailKing.com, where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. We'll see you guys next time.